I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what the system needs and starting the setup now. First, confirm your account and device meet the platform requirements so the Shield can attach cleanly. Once done, gather a payment method, any required ID, and promo codes so you won't be interrupted during checkout. Make sure to enable any device or app permissions the service requests. That prevents failures later. This lets you move immediately into configuration without stopping for missing items. You now select the right Shield tier and fine-tune options so it fits your needs and budget. Start by comparing basic versus premium features and pick one that covers your most likely risks. Once chosen, adjust auto-renew, alert thresholds, link devices, and coverage scope to avoid surprises. After setting preferences, enter payment details and confirm the purchase. Make sure to verify your email and accept terms, because those steps push your order into the activation queue, and you finish by activating and verifying the Shield so it actually protects you. Follow the final prompts to pair your device, download the policy bundle, and accept any on-device security prompts. Then run a brief test scenario to confirm alerts and protections trigger properly. If everything succeeds, schedule regular checks and enable notifications. If something goes wrong, try clearing app cache, restart your device, then retry activation. If issues persist, contact support with your order ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.